friends, Running Kimono here. The Dove spray at $1, and then the body wash so cheap at $1.50. We have free toothpaste and a whole bunch of magic this week over at Walgreens. 90% off disinfectant wipes and sprays. Oh my gosh, this is the week over at Walgreens that we've been waiting for. First off, your digital coupons folder, go and load all of these magical coupons, high value coupons, all digital. Load them right away and then come back to this video and let's look at the dealios for all of this amazing stuff. While you're out and about bebopping in the store, look for these on an end cap or in the cleaning aisle and very politely ask the cashier to give you a price check or even look for them in the clearance section. But these different complete home sprays and this specific scent, the Fresh Scent 35 count disinfectant wipe, either the nice or the newer Walgreens logo, they're ringing up for like 90% off at like, what, 29 cents each. Wow. This specific complete home, which is the Walgreens brand, either in country, floral, rain scent, or the citrus one, 49 cents each. And here is my receipt for all of my disinfectant wipes. I tend to go through quite a few of these as we have a couple of kitties living in our home and they make messes, and this is the one thing to revive your carpet. So a really good deal on that. 29 cents for a canister of wipes. Superb price. If you watched my Friday video, I was speculating that this rebate might stick around, and it's going to be valid till Monday the 24th, so get out to Walgreens to do this deal. How you're going to find it is to go to your Discoveries page, which is on the left-hand side, and type in Dove, click the icon, and see if this might be listed, which is $2.50 back when you buy 2 of these dry sprays. Now, my mom really likes these dry sprays, so I bought 4 of them today. I did 2 separate transactions as the register reward will only print once per transaction. Just be very mindful of that. And I used my debit card to pay down the balance too, or cash, just so there was no issues. But this is the beautiful digital coupon that we have, which is $7.50 off of 2, valid for 2 weeks. This is a very generous coupon. So these guys are $8 a pop, so 2 of them is $16. Subtracting that magical $7.50 off of 2, you're paying $8.50, and I used my debit card for that one. Got back a $4 register reward. Fetch Rewards is giving me back $2.50 when I buy 2. So it makes it $2 for the 2 or $1 per, which is a really good price point. Just so you guys have eyes on this register reward, it only prints once per transaction. So if you were going to grab 4, only 1 would print. So you have to do them in separate transactions, just to note that. This is also a store register reward. And I grabbed 2 different cents. So I'm not sure if 1 cent, the register reward wasn't printing for that. And that's why I used my debit card just to be super safe. And over on the Fetch Rewards app, you can see I got rewarded $2.50, shaking it out to $1 each. That is a superb price. The next really superb deal is for the Men's Degree deodorant, and we're looking for the cheapy stuff, and this week it's on a buy one get one 50% off. So if you go over to your digital coupons folder, we have a $7.50 off of 2, which is a really great deal. Sadly, no register rewards for this offer, but it's still an opportunity to get some very inexpensive Degree deodorant. Grabbing 2 of them for $9.43, subtracting that $7.50 off of 2, you're paying $1.93 for the 2, or 96 cents per deodorant. And yes, you can use your Walgreens cash for this one because there's no reward popping out of the machine. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app as well. You might get something back. You might not, but you might get something back. Now, this is where I made a little mistake. It's either the Dove ladies or the men's body wash, but I grabbed the ladies one. And here's my mistake, guys. I had like $9 tracking towards $2 on the Fetch Rewards app for the men's. I should have bought the men's, so I got to go back and make that happen because I'm probably going to dream about it tonight. I'm not sure if you're a weirdo like me, but I made a mistake. And as I suspected, we got another 7 off of 2 digital coupons. So they gave this to us last week and a new one appeared this morning. So it is like Christmas morning for couponers. It's grabbing 2 of the, I got the ladies for $14, subtracting that 7 off 2. I paid $7 with my debit card, got back a $4 register reward, $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per body wash. And yes, I used my debit card, and yes, the register reward printed on this beautiful lavender lilac one. Okay, so we haven't had any free toothpaste in about a month, so definitely load up this week, guys. You got nothing to lose. So these little tubes of the Crest, they are $3 a pop, $3 register reward when you buy 2. So we have this digital coupon that's attaching, which is a 3 off of 2. Please make sure that you have this one loaded, which is the high value coupon. Grabbing 2 of the tubes for $6, subtracting the digital, you'll pay 3. Get back a $3 register reward, essentially making this free. And I would use your debit card just because I had some problems at the store this morning and you want these register rewards to print unless you have a super cool store. If you want to let me know if you had luck rolling Walgreens cash, but I had a bit of a mess this morning, so just be mindful of that. Grabbed 2 of these Colgate Totals for $2.99, and it's on the same promotion of buy 2, get a $3 register reward, and we have a coupon with. My register reward did not print, and I used my debit card for this one, so I don't know what's going on, but maybe it's not programmed into the system. Very nice manager helped me out, though, this morning. But here's the tag. It's $3 reward when you buy 2 of these. And it was scanning in the app perfectly, so I don't know what I did wrong, but I did grab these 2 little guys, the Deep Clean. I'm so happy to see free toothpaste. If you gift this for Christmas, you know that a lot of us were probably scrambling saying, where's the free toothpaste? Because there was nothing last month. And this is the digital coupon that you need loaded, which is a 3 off of 2. Looking at the mathematics, 2 for $5.98, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital. You're paying $2.98, getting back a $3 register reward, making it free. And I used my debit card. The register reward didn't print, so who knows what happened. Very nice manager helped me, but just be mindful of this one. The next deal that we have is really fantastic, the best laundry deal of the week. These Purex Pods are 2 for $5. So for this little deal, you're going to grab 2 of them for $5 on the nose. Now, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's a very generous rebate for $1 back for each. And this is the 4-in-1, which I just showed you. So how nice is that? 2 of the bags for $5 on the nose. And then you're going to make that submission to IBOTTA for $1 back for each. That's $2 back. So it shakes out to $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per bag of Purex Pods. It is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash if you wish to pay down the balance, so you're really not feeling this one out of pocket, but what a superb deal for some cheap pods. Now, this is the paper deal of the week as the IVC coupon reset for most of us this week. So these guys are $5 again, which is a really good price point for the Scott's paper product. And just to give you some eyes on this, the IVC coupon, which stands for Instant Value Coupon, it's $1.25 off of each. It's also of a one-time use, so use it wisely. If you don't want to do this deal, just maybe load it and hang on to it. Here's the mathematics for this. 2 of the Scotts for 10, subtracting that IVC, so just load it. It'll come off automatically. Paying $7.50. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, by all means. I would grab more than 2 if you're just going to do this deal like the one time. I would probably grab like 6 or something, or go crazy, grab 4. The next little deal that we have is with the Renews It cones. These did go up in price. For the longest time, they were 79 cents, but I don't know. Maybe this is all they have left in the United States. That's why it's $1.29. I know a lot of you love to look at the tag, so here is the tag for this one. Well, why I'm doing this deal is because this morning we got a really high value coupon for the Renews It cones for a buy 4, get 2 for free. Looking at the mathematics for this, 6 of the cones is $7.74. Subtracting, they're capping us at $1.78. Go figure that one out. Pay $5.96. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay the 96 cents and laugh dramatically all the way to the bank and back. I know a lot of you that have pets or a musty basement, you probably need a couple of these, or a laundry room that might need it. I think I might grab some later in the week too for my little stockpile. This is the last weekend before Halloween, and Halloween will be celebrated on Monday the 31st, so we still have like a week and a bit. But these snack size candies, they've been $2.49 every week, and now it's on a buy one get one free on all the snack size bags, all of them. So grabbing 2 of the snack size Reese's is $5.29. If you wish to use $5 in Walgreens cash or a store register rewards, by all means. It shakes each bag out to $2.64. So in comparison to, yeah, it's a little bit more than what it's been, but you get the different Sour Patch Kids or the Reese's if you want to revisit that, or if you want to stock up for your Christmas baking. Who knows, it's Halloween treats. Or if you need to stock up for Halloween, a very good price point as well. And before before I take off, let's have a quick little giveaway. To participate, you must be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio Shopper, and that is your entry. One entry per subscriber, and the winner will be picked on Friday, October the 28th. This is completely free to participate, and I wish you all good luck. Get out to Walgreens if you love that Dove dry spray for $1. That is your Christmas and birthday gift wrapped up into ones, and what a fabulous, fabulous deal. Get out to the store, guys. As always, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.